Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is particular video which I am going to discuss the TCS latest 27th June interview experience for three candidates. Like one is from Ninja, one is from Digital, and one is from Prime role candidates. Okay, and also I'm going to cover TCS 2024 what all top most important topics you all should prepare for TCS Ninja, Digital, and Prime interview 2024, and also the most important point, TCS HR direct selecting candidates during final HR round after clearing TR plus HEMA round, and what should you know about this particular line as well. Okay, so let's suppose if you have completed your TR plus HEMA round, and if you have gone through the HR round after waiting the 30 to 2 hours, you have to wait for the HR round, and once they contact you, and if you're meeting all the criteria, and if they have verified your documents, and they are asking some tricky questions like are you able to work in night shift, are you comfortable to working in BPS domain, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह, and if they are asking this type of question, it means they are not going to reject you. They are most probably they are going to hire you if you have gone through the HR round, and and your HR performance very well, and they have checked all your documents like first to 8th semester, your 10th 12th, and your education, and also if they are asking to show me send me your email documents via email, then definitely you are going to be shortlisted. Okay, and they will not reject you. Okay, because HR round is a final round in which they are going to only check your documents, nothing it, and also they will check your 4 to 5 question, easy question like from after 5 years, and the are you comfortable to working night shift and anywhere in India, वगैरह वगैरह. This type of question they most probably they are going to ask you this type of question for those candidates whose selection chances are very high. Okay, because I already right now I think I have read more than 500 plus interview experience in which I found this type of things. Okay, let's start. Okay, today TC my TC Ninja interview experience introduction project. Okay, internship, what is polymorphism with a real life example, a type of polymorphism, what is overloading overriding, interface explain, abstract class, write pseudocode for multiple inheritance in Java, what is primary key across question, it is possible to have multiple primary key, it is possible to have null value of primary key, and then difference between truncate and delete, then linked in an array, normalization in their types, join query, join command to clone hit GitHub code. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा पूछे जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, आप प्रिपेयर कर लेना. Command to commit code, MR question, MR asked me about research paper. He searched my paper on Google, but he didn't get it, so he told me search this paper using my phone, and then ask some question related to my paperwork. Okay, then this is for digital at computer is some introduction, primary key series, primary key and foreign key, inheritance, polymorphism, what is cloud computing. Have please gone through the cloud computing, okay, because they are most probably asking the question from the latest technology as well. So prepare. Have you used real time use in AWS? How are you aware for trading technology? Any other question interview for only for 15 minutes, no HR and no MR question. So they see there is no MR and no MR questions. That's it. Interview has completed. Okay. Next. 27th June, interview for Prime Tamil Nadu. Ask for a native. Did you take breakfast? How did you do it? Which college of studying, especially for your college skill, non-skill, apartment internship, which language you used to work writing front-end, HTML and CSS, any other front-end language, RDMS, in which database, write HTML code, explain written code, H1, H6 in HTML, willing to relocate, work in a technology Redis database. What would you do if you haven't done any project within the timeline? Any question? Okay, prioritize your work. Okay. And for next, what topics should you prepare for Ninja Digital Prime? So I will give you this three website link. First one is Naukri.com, in which you just go through the TCS digital interview questions and answer. From there you will finding all the question and answer. I request everyone, please go through this page only before attending the interview. I request everyone, please try to go through this page. Okay, I will provide you the link as well. And for Prime, I will provide you this link only. Please go through all the links, whatever providing in my video description, and just prepare for questions and answer for the same. I request and please, most of the questions are going to ask from this site only, because from if you have completed this page, just read the all the questions. Okay, you will finding all the question and answer. Okay, and for the Ninja, I will provide you the test book link, and from there you'll finding all the question SDPSC, SDLC. Please, I request everyone who is watching this video, and if you are not able to answer, if you don't know if you don't want to read all the answer, just go just copy these things and just Google it and just go through the page. See, just search explain the TCP IP model and just go through it. जस्ट रीड द पेपर, बिकॉज पेपर से जैसे मैं जो पढ़ता हूँ, मैं ज़्यादातर मैं पेज से ही पढ़ता हूँ, जो ज़्यादा याद होता है, ठीक है. टीसीपी आईपी पढ़ लो, एप्लीकेशन लेयर होता है, ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर है, नेटवर्क लेयर, एक्सेस लेयर. आप लोग टॉपिक मतलब एक माइंड में एक क्वेश्चन आ जाना चाहिए क्या होता है वो. अगर आप लोग कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़ पा रहे तो आप लोग गूगल में सर्च करके इमेज में जाना, व्हाट आर द लेयर ऑफ लेयर्स ऑन एन एसआई मॉडल में सर्च करता हूँ, ठीक है. जस्ट गो थ्रू इट एंड जस्ट गो टू द इमेज. दिस इज अ लेयर, this is a layer, application, physical layer, data link layer, network layer. Just go through it. This is how you can prepare, and just download it when we keep kept with you, एंड जब आप इंटरव्यू जाओगे रास्ते में आप लोग इसे ओपन करके देख लेना, आप लोग इमेज से याद करो, ज्यादा आपको याद होगा, ठीक है। सो आई थिंक आई डिस्कस ऑल द पॉइंट, कुछ डाउट मेरे पूछे ना, सभी को ऑल द बेस्ट, मिलते हैं, जय हिंद जय भारत।